Hi, I'm Cat from Cat Sparrow Fibres. One of the questions we get asked quite often is how to get started on the Turkish spindles. So today, in this video, I will show you how to get started. And in later videos, we'll talk about the actual spinning techniques and winding up. If you order online, our spindles will come in a package, and within you'll find a little wrapped parcel like this. All you need to do is to unwrap this fiber, and the spindles comes in 3 parts. There's the larger arm, and then smaller, thinner arm, and the shaft. To assemble, you take your larger arm and the thinner arm, put the thinner one through the middle of the larger one, and take your shaft, and that goes underneath. Now the spindle is ready. With the fiber that comes with the spindle, it's perfect to use this as practice fiber. So I'll just take a little bit, and I'll show you to get started. Normally, to spin on the spindle, there are 2 ways. One is to tie a leader yarn onto the shaft, and another is to make your own leader yarn. I don't often bother with the leader yarn, so I'll show you the way I do. So take your spindle and the fiber, and just use the spindle shaft as a guide to start spin. Because I normally spin clockwise, so I will start twisting clockwise. You can go the other way you want, but as long as you are consistent, you'll be fine. Okay, so I'll keep spinning. Until I get some length. That should be enough as a leader yarn. And I will show you how to trap. Again, there are different ways of doing this, but this is how I do it. So I take the shaft out and then lay the fiber across the hole, and then reinsert the shaft, trapping the fiber underneath. From here, I'll make a half hitch. And with half hitch, I like to hold my fiber like this, you can see, like this, and then just poke the shaft through the loop, pull it, there, and you're ready to go. There. And I will show you, I'll wind down a little bit and then show you the half hitch again. In this video, I won't show you in detail how I wind on, but that's a separate video. Okay, I'll just wind down. From here, I hold my fiber taut, so you don't want any kinks in the fiber. Hold it taut, turn, half turn, and then push the shaft into the loop, and then you can see that is a half hitch. And then you're ready to go again. Give it a flick, and you start spinning. And that. So this is how you get started on the Turkish spindle. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you for watching. In the next video or videos, we'll talk about how to spin and how to wind on onto the Turkish spindle. Thank you.